What's she doing, Jack? You doing your elephant? Where's the rest of the pieces?
What pieces?
Hey, what's this right here?
My head.
Is that his tail?
Tail.
Yeah, tail.
Tail.
Alright. Here's some legs.
Where's
Here's an ear.
ew?
Here's tusks.
Turtles. Oh. Turtles. Pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's his eye?
I.
Here's a piece. Good, Jack.
Good.
I saw that eye somewhere. Where did that go? Did you take that downstairs? I found it. Hey!
Elephant.
Elephant. Good elephant. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this?
Tiger.
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 Let's do the tiger. That's it. Sit down. Good boy.
Egg.
Thank you.
Egg.
Thank you. Give me. Thank you.
Egg.
Give me.
Egg.
Thank you.
Egg.
Thank you. Give me. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Got it. Thank you.
Egg.
2 at once. Thank you. Okay, here's all the pieces.
Oh, pieces.
All the pieces.
Pieces.
Oh, you start with the head. Good strategy.
Egg.
I like the way this is going. Oh, and there's, wow. There's his tail.
Tail. Tail.
Oh, where does that go?
Cycle.
That's a hard one.
What?
What a leg. Let's do the leg.
Leg.
Oh, yeah, there's a leg. Here's a leg.
Leg.
Good. Where does that go?
Cycle.
Help me. Help me. Daddy, help. Daddy, help. Daddy, help.
They hop.
Okay, Daddy, help.
They hop.
There we go.
Egg.
Good. Good.
Good. Tiger.
Tiger. Tiger. Rawr. Good. All done, Tiger.